going on YouTube? It is your boy DS Dan. I'm back again with a video for you guys. We got some heat right now. We got the Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. These are set to release November 19th. I think they're going to be about $190, but this is probably going to be one of the most anticipated shoes of the year, man. Classic shoe. But I'm going to give you guys a detailed review and an on feet, so stay tuned for that on feet. And also, before we get into this video, all you guys out there, make sure you hit that thumbs up, click that subscribe button, and also click the notification bell so you guys could be notified every time I drop videos like these. Big shout out to Chicago EMPORIUM. Their link will be in the description, man. If you guys, I be telling you guys, if you guys need kicks, go check out Chicago EMPORIUM. Yes, look at these bad boys, guys. These is crazy. The story behind this is about the mom and pop shops that were selling the Air Jordan 1s. They kept them in a basement. This is basically what the shoe would look like when it was stuck in a basement and it aged. So we got some packaging with some aged look on it and a couple other details that I'm going to show you guys. That's what I read right now. I really don't know too much. You know, I just read what I could to give you guys some kind of information about them. Let's get into the box. You see, you got the orange lid on this box. You got a couple little stickers here. Basically, they're trying to show you these was on sale. This is what the Jordan 1 box would look like after it was aged, sitting in a basement at a mom and pop shop, right? Now the lid is basically AJKO box lid. Now, as you can see inside, this was basically, back in the day, was used as rifle paper, has ads all over it and stuff like that, which is pretty cool, man, because, you know, I'm not too young neither, and back in the day, I remember things was like this, you know. They also gave you the old school receipts, the sale receipts. Now, they gave you this right here. You guys could check it out. This is how the receipts were back in the day. Now it's computerized, everything. Let's get into the shoes. We're going to start off with the outsole. Basically, they're looking dusty right here. This is what you call dusty. They got a little dust on the bottom of the shoe. The all bottom is red with your little white powdery dust on it. Fire. I like that. That's a dope touch. Nike branding in the bottom. You can see the cracking on the front of the toe with the perforated holes. Now, it feels really nice. The leather's good. Pretty soft, not bad at all. The 2 sets of laces, guys, that's dope. You see how they put it on the shoe. You got these white laces, you got the black laces, and they put them on the shoe because maybe back in the day they didn't have the bags. I'm thinking. Take a look at the tongue. The tongue is in a off-white color. I guess that's from sitting. Got your Nike Air branding with the red tag. Fire. Black swoosh in leather. Air Jordan with the basketball and the wing in black. Now in this panel right here that I'm pointing at, you guys can see it does have the cracking also. Take a look. Very nice, man. These are so dope, guys. And of course, over here, the black area is cracking. All leather upper with your hits of red, white, and black Chicago color. Classic colorway. Medial, same as the lateral. Red, white, black swoosh. Red going towards the front of the toe. Red going towards the back. And you do got the cracking on the mid panel. Nike Air in the inner sole in red with an all white inner sole. Sock liner in black. Alright, so like I said, with the cracking, all red in the back, you guys can see. I showed you guys the paper. I showed you guys the box. Now, if you guys want to pick these up, they're going to release November 19th. I did get rid of my Chicago 1s, thinking it was going to come out with a pair of Chicagos a couple years ago, like being stupid. But yeah, if I was to rate these 1 out of 10, I'm giving these a solid 9. Just because it's a Chicago 1 and everything is executed well. November 19th, be ready. I don't know how many pairs they're going to have. So I suggest you guys be on these because everybody's gonna want these. Such a classic colorway. You guys already know once any Chicago come out, Spider-Man's, Chicago's from 2015, anything, these things sell out. So definitely be on it. Air Jordan 1 Lost and Founds. Let me know what you guys think. Hit that thumbs up for your boy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. All right, let's get into this on feet, man. It's your boy DS Dan.